front and left everyone else to follow. Giovanni Di Gennaro of Italy at the top of the course. Olympic gold medalist. Super smooth in the stagger there. It's a work of art out there on the water. Recently, a new father, a newborn, maybe a month ago, which is very exciting. Congratulations. So hard for some of our athletes to have a young family while they're traveling all over the world. I'm sure Giovanni is racing for his family right now, in touch with that time that he needs to qualify. He's used to being at the top of the field, but saving some juice for the semis and the finals, no doubt.
World Championship silver medalist in 2022. Stream of, I think 2023 that was in Augsburg where he won the silver. And that time, 2.95 will be enough to get him through.